Hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Victoria with the 8-Figure Business Coach. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can receive information on the latest on how to actually have a successful online business and become a digital nomad. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between setting a goal and having a vision. I know that I had set goals, and most times I would achieve the goals that I had set, but I noticed that I wasn't really content when I would get through setting the goal and then achieving the goal. So I had a mentor that actually mentioned to me, do you understand the difference in setting goals and having a vision? And a vision is your big why. So if I woke up this morning and there are days that I do not feel like dealing with customers and having to deal with anything that may be going on in business, and this is when I had my traditional business, not so much with my online businesses, because I don't have a lot of employees. I have more, I would consider freelance individuals that are independent, and most of them are working on something on their own as well. But when I did have the employees, you would have customers that were unhappy. You have employees that were calling out. There were a lot of moving parts. And that's one of the reasons why I enjoy what I do now so much more. It's a lot more fulfilling, and I feel that I'm able to add more value to individuals' lives. But when I realized that I had a goal, and I may have a goal for making X amount of dollars, I would reach the goal, but I still didn't feel as fulfilled as I felt like I should have. When I started understanding the difference between the vision, having a vision on why I'm doing this, and once I understood that, that's when I started doing the actual workshops, which is how to become a digital nomad. I enjoy my life so much more with being able to travel and understanding what my life's purpose is, which is showing others how to add value and being of service. Being of service is what adds value to my life. And what I mean by that is if you have a business, and whether you're doing a workshop or whatever it is that you choose to do, if you're adding value to others' lives, the resources will come, which is the financial. The money is a resource to change lives and add value. Now, I believe in getting paid for that. And that's one of the great things, is being able to get paid for adding value to lives. But that's the difference in a vision and a goal. A goal is a specific achievement. A vision is your life, your why. That's your North Star. That's your direction. So connect all the dots and then understand that there's a big difference between your vision and your goal. Your goal is one thing, which we definitely want to set your goals, but make sure that you understand what your vision is, your why for doing everything you do. Because if not, you probably will end up waking up one day and you've accomplished all your goals, but you won't feel fulfilled because you won't know what your life's mission is, and we all have one. So I hope this was informative and impactful. Make sure you register to sign up, because I believe in giving the tactics, the strategy, and the mindset on how to scale your business. So make sure you visit me at www.8figurebusinesscoach.com and register for my Eventbrite, which is learn how to be a digital nomad and make 10K for your first month. That is the goal. So join me again, and until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.